This is Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Welcome to my backyard. Now today I would like to talk about building your raised beds. Now there is two material that a lot of people use to build raised bed. First of all, they use plywood. Now most of the plywood is 10 to 12 inches in height, 10 to 12 inches. Now 4x8s are really popular for raised bed gardens made out of plywood, 4x8, 4 feet by 8 feet. So I have a 8x8 over here. Over here my bed is a 4x8. And over here is 4x8. It's made of plywood. Now, from my understanding, plywood only lasts from 2 to 5, maybe even 10 years. I'm not sure yet, so we will have to wait and see. But all three of my raised beds, as you can see, they're made out of plywood. The reason that they use the 4x8 plywood is because you can reach across it. So it's pretty easy to grow food in a 4x8 garden because you can reach across it. That's why a lot of people like using 4x8 for their raised bed garden. And again, that's one of the most popular sizes that people use. Now you can also buy raised beds at Amazon.com. So check that out. Now another material that's really popular for making raised beds are cement blocks. We actually have the cement blocks here up under the shed to keep snakes away from us while we're working in the gardens. But cement blocks are a great material that people use for raised bed gardens. The only thing about cement blocks, if you use them, you need to make sure you fill in the holes, because if you don't, you can attract spiders. And also, I have been told that cement blocks actually dries out quicker, which means that you have to water your garden more if you use cement blocks. There's a lot of females on YouTube that are actually building their raised bed gardens. We have a new initiative where we are trying to encourage men to build gardens, to go into these women's backyard and build raised bed gardens. Our new initiative is brothersbuildinggardens.com. Again, brothersbuildinggardens.com. So again, this is a great opportunity for men to make extra money, to come into women's backyard and help them build these raised bed gardens.